In the video today is how to place a student into CRx Testing Mode. CRx Testing Mode is available for students who are going through Odysseyware on our CNUSD credit recovery site. And it is generally made available to students by the request of the teacher. The counselor actually will have to re-enroll the student in a particular class. CRx Testing Mode is not appropriate for all students. It should not be used in the case of a student having entirely failed the course. It should only be used when a student can demonstrate that they have some requisite knowledge prior to going into the testing mode. Okay, to place a student in CRx Testing Mode, you begin by clicking on the Student tab as normal. And you're going to locate your student. In this case, I am going to change the enrollment for Demo Student 50. To change the enrollment, I click on the Add Enrollments link. And what I will see down at the bottom, the lower part of the screen, don't worry about this up here at the top, what I will see is all of the students' current enrollments. In this case, the student only has one. Now, the Algebra 1A CRx 2011 course, the student is in a regular enrollment here on the CRx site for credit recovery. What I want to do is switch this to CRx Testing Mode, which will allow the student to test out of particular units in the course. To do that, I'm going to have to entirely unenroll the student from the course. So I click the On Enroll button, and I get a confirmation window, and I click On Enroll. And then I click OK. Now, very important that you understand when you unenroll a student, if they have already started that particular course, any of the work they've done will be lost. Now, I'm going to add a new enrollment. Same class, CNUSD CRx Mathematics, Algebra 1A, and I believe that my teacher was CRx Demo Teacher. Just as you normally would, we're going to pick the correct semester. This would be a Semester 2, 2011-2012 enrollment. Also, I can do custom if the student is only in there for part of the time, or this is a second course or a third course that they're taking in the semester. Now here's where it gets a little bit different. You'll know in our regular enrollment procedure you block tests. That's typical enrollment. In the case of putting it in CRx Testing Mode, we also select the CRx Mode checkbox. That places the course in the CRx Testing Mode. All the rest of the options remain exactly as they are in a normal enrollment. And when we're all done, don't forget to come down and press the Add Enrollment button. You'll get a confirmation. When you click OK, the enrollment should appear in the Course Enrollments window. And there it is. That's all you need to do to change a student from a regular CRx enrollment to a CRx Testing Mode enrollment. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good time changing your students' enrollments.